Hi everyone. This is well, it's probably going to be quite a long run through of my new journal because it's big. It's a bit of a departure for me. This is being a bit of my baby because I've been learning how to do this kind of stitching. My life, I must have taken. Okay, that's what I started with. That was my own little journal that I made. Very basic. Keep a track of what I'm making. Oh boy, did I mess that stitching up. So here is what I think is pretty near damned okay. It's meaty, this thing is. There are 200 plus pages in it. It measures 8 3/4 by 6, 7 signatures, like I say, with over 200 pages. The front has got a peacock with a bit of a pattern going on, and I've just highlighted it with some I don't know if you can see that. Is it picking it up? Yeah, a little. Gilding wax. Enchanted Gold, this one's called. So, on the spine, we have an part exposed spine, I suppose. This is leather that it's stitched onto. And then on the back, we have obviously the stud for the leather strap. Pretty distressed, and then there's a little dragonfly on the bottom corner. Fastening gears, leather strap onto one of the hitch posts. There is loads of room for expansion. There's another good inch on there. So if we go inside, as you can see, this is, I've called it Nature's Journal, my nature journal. It is what it is. I love botanicals, I love birds, I love anything to do with nature, especially my cats. So, front cover. This is a Tim Holtz paper, and this is a book plate I found, and I thought, oh, I really like that, so that's gone on there. These are my images, the birds. Then we have a bit of, actually I think that looks like a building blueprint of some description. Journal pockets. I will try and make it quick, simply because there are so many pages. Not a lot of decoration apart from stenciling. I didn't think it needed it. This is something to write in, something to put your photos in, because the pages are plain. More Tim Holtz paper. Tag. So they're not coffee dyed or tea stained. They are plain, so they are archival, so you can keep your oh, that's a book cover. Yep, inside book page. And that's the centre of one signature. So you can put photos on them and they won't deteriorate. That's what I was trying to say. Another little pocket. I will link, there's a couple of different kits, so I will put the links below for those. Tuck spot. They're all birds or flowers, plants of some description to match the botanical theme. Some nice bright birds. With a lace pocket. All printed papers. All the printed papers are actually, well, apart from that one obviously, they are lined on the back. So, like I say, this is a journaling journal. Something to, actually you could use it for sketching, I suppose. Tuck spot. That's a book page out of that Victorian or Edwardian ladies book I found. Tim Holtz paper with a belly bands. I have been observing Teresa Lefrent's journals, which I love, and all the different tuck spots and pockets that she puts in. So I have warned her I will be pinching some of her ideas. I went down the wrong way. papers, poem. That's another page out of that book that I was on about. So I took, oh God, I am sorry. Only I'm about to run out of battery, so I can't stop. That's nice and bright. Little glassine bag. The ubiquitous Elizabeth Holden papers. This is a different kit. Again, I've had this ages. I'll try and find the Etsy link to that and put that in this one. Back of the glassine bag. Nice big pockets. Like I say, stenciling on this one to break the pages up, but I thought it didn't really need much else. This paper, which is a heavyweight paper, I have to say. In England or the UK, that's 120 GSM. I don't know what the American equivalent is. I did have a look once and try to sort it out, the equivalents, but you have so many different types: cover, text, card. And so, okay, I give in. Stenciling. Is that the same book? That's a big glassine bag. Obviously the pocket inside. There is a pocket at the back. I just haven't got anything in that one. Oh. That's glued on, and that's a tuck spot at the back of it. Bit of lace. It's a Butterflies and Moths book I've found. That's a pretty page. I know blueprints don't go in a botanical book. Well, not necessarily, but the colours went with it really nice, so it's in there. And that's when I had my choking fit, that's Children's Encyclopedia. I love that one. A rose finch. We don't get anything like that over here, unless you go to a zoo. Nice deep pocket. That's a book cover. Top tuck. Hey, I'm learning. Book page. Tim Holtz papers. A bit more than lace to make it. That actually makes a decent pocket, that one does. The back of the papers. A very long thread. I haven't done any sewing apart from on the lace pockets because I don't trust the glue to hold the lace in. I thought I like the pages just nice and clean for this one. It just suits the journal. Oh, nice. I can't read these birds. I have been trying. I think I'm going to need to get some new glasses at some point. Oh, it's a stenciling. Another glassine bag with a couple of tags in them. And lace. And a book cover. Oh, big deep pocket for that one. Some more of that. I'm going to have to find it. It is The Country Flowers of a Victorian Lady. That's what, so I even got the wrong era, Victorian Lady. That's what this pages are out of. Very pretty. Yes, because that's the back of it. I just love all the old writing on. Top tuck. That's a shame. Got half his head off. The back of a glassine bag with a couple more little tags in there. Like I say, it's all botanical. Birds. Wildlife. Nature journal. All the printed papers. Pockets. Whoa, a bit of ledger paper. I think that's supposed to be a magazine cover. Tim Holtz papers with a belly band. Side tuck. Some more of the children's encyclopedia pages. Printed pages, like I say, all lined. All ready for writing on. And this you'll be pleased to know, back of the Tim Holtz page, is the last signature in the corner pocket. Those are nice birds. And the back page, and that is a journal that I am extremely proud of. I will be listing it because I have to say I have made one for myself, slightly different variation. I'll put all the links to the papers below, and this will be in my eBay shop, and at some point in the next few days, because you wonderful people have taken me over 1,000 subscribers now, unbelievable, there will be news of a giveaway as well. So thank you very much, and I will speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.